So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn about auto load balancer, which is also known as an ALB. There are other types of also load balancer, but today we are going to see that how these things work. So firstly I will show you an image. Let's start with the diagram. So see, from this image you can see that this is a user side, this is a server side, and this here the application load balancer lies between the both. Okay, in other words we can say that a load balancer sits between client devices and backend servers. We are having these servers. So what happens now, like I am having a traffic usage of my each side is means maximum capacity we can assume as 100. So what happens here, it's 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. We are having 5 servers. The total capacity of our all servers are 500. So what happens if all the request goes to server number 1, means see task 1, task 2 and task 3. So here the application load balancer will help us to send the traffic to those servers which are free or which are not working currently. Those who means basically we are giving the traffic at a separate. For example, I'm having a store. In my one store there is so much of rush that my other stores doesn't have rush. So what will I do? I will advertise to people that if your home is at that side, then visit store A. If your home is at this side, visit store B. That will be close to you, fast to you. And also what I'm doing, I am distributing the traffic so my other things can work good. What happens if I'm having 100 customer, you know, speed will be slow, so high availability will be not there, then fault and tolerance can also happen, performance is poor and much more. So what happens here, it distributes the load among all the servers equally. Okay, so this was our question. What is load balancer? You get to know. Basically, we can say that a load balancer sits between client device and backend servers. It receives the incoming request and decide which servers should handle one based on factor like health, current load, and routing algorithm. Okay, don't worry with the words, I'm just going to help you in further. Then you can see with the benefits are high availability, scalability, performance is improved. The which steps I used to say in the negative, you can see that. And EC2 also offers us one more thing, that is continuously check server health and remove unresponsive one from the rotation. If your one EC2 instance is weak or having poor health, this will be closed, other all will be working. Okay, so there are basically types, means this is the elastic load balancer. They are having three basic type. Today we are going to learn about application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer. So I go with ALB. I used to say it auto load balancer, but it's actually application load balancer. So let's move towards our practical, because everyone can tell this detail, you can google it or do everything. So this is our home screen of EC2 instance, sorry, Amazon AWS home screen. So we are just quickly going to create a EC2 instance. So what we will do, I will go to this instance, create one. So today, see, we are having many things, like where is demo application load balancer came here. So I will go with Amazon AWS, which is already selected, free tier, create. I don't think that we need a key right now, so leave it. Allow HTTP traffic, main thing, advanced detail. Go down, enter this bash file. So what happens with this bash file, the side which I will open, then what will happen there, hello guys, then my host name is the host name of the EC2 will be visible, because we will be switching between the EC2s. Okay, so we will be switching between them. So let's see. So see, proceed without a key pair. Okay, launch instance, launched, go to instances, go to reload. Okay, I did a mistake. So I was going to create two more load balancer which I have not created. So quickly I will create both of them. So see guys, here when we were selecting the one, just do it two, because one we have already created. Then launch. Now we are back to our load balancer. So what we will do first, here is edit option. So I will just give it name as 2. Oh, what the heck, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what's happening now, we will wait for status check and then we will move further. So till the time our this status check is going on, then we need to create a load balancer. So let's move that. See, you are seeing this panel, you can also see this like this. Then click on this 3 bars, you will see here, see load balancer option is there. Now click on load balancer option. So you can see the screen, just create a load balancer. So here are the three types. So you can just read it, what are the services you want. See, there are many things: http, https. Here it's network load balancer, here it's gateway load balancer. So you must read it and choose which one you want. So I need a, here one more option is there, in previous generation was there. So we are choosing currently application load balancer. So what we will do here, we will give our application load balancer a name. Now basically best practice is simple only, just give it a name as, I will give it same name as demo ALB class. Okay, just to remember, so you know all the settings. Here you can see network mapping. What we need to do, select all the availability zones. See what happens when your one side is weak, when we are establishing a connection only in US. See, east A we are connecting, not in B. So it may be slow because there also may be traffic. So we are selecting all. Now it will look like this. Now what happened, security group, this is the main thing of security group. We need to create a security group, and in description we can write anything, but appropriate we will write. So this is a security group. Security group name, we should give it as AB. What's, do not show this again. Okay, so where were we, it's ABL auto load balancer. Then I'm giving SJ. This is the basic practice, so allowed SSH. You can write here anything, means in future you will see, then when you will be working again on these things, then you will see. So what we will do, here are two rules basically, inbound and outbound. So what will happen, add a rule, we will go with HTTP, because this is basic one. So what will happen here, this is done. Now source, see custom, we will give it anywhere, leave the option, because 8080 port we will give, cake, everything will happen. So here also we'll do this only, when our port is selected anywhere came automatically. So what happens here, now we need to create a security group, just create it. See, it's created. Now go back to the previous screen and Here what it's showing, like I was like SGL security group, right? When we have created security group SG, just give the name a bit unique because these things will help you. So this is the default one, and this is which you have selected, so you can delete the default one and you can go with the one which you have created. Now moving listeners and routing. Main thing, algorithm runs on this, targeting those root requests, register targeting. So what we will do, just create a target group. So what happens in the target group, you are telling that I am having a instances, I want to target them. You can go with IP addresses, lambda functions, application load balancer, many other. So target group, see, ABL target group class creating for you guys, so it's better to do this only. So here are many other things which you will see HTTP 80 port, leave it as it is. So here I cannot see anything much, so let's move forward. See, there was an option of, wait a second, I will show you this option. See, advanced health setting, success code. Here somewhere not the time comes. This is not one I'm going to show in next one. So what happened here, you can select the instances I've given, that's why the unique name. Then what will happen when we have came to this page, we have selected all. Now we need to click on this include as pending below. What will happen once you click, your all instances will come here. You can see them that they are in running stage. Yes, this kind of, you can see, let's review the targets. Sometimes you may have selected more than 300 targets, but you need to review once, because maybe you are selecting those which are not necessarily. So we came here, total number of targeting targets, you can see healthy and unhealthy. When you will see that a single EC2 instance is not in a good health, okay, means it's not working, it's closed from back or anything. So what will happen here, only the target will come. So now what's happening now, protocol is forwarded. Yes, it's forwarded. So selected group is selected. Then we'll go down, see now create load balancer, nothing else. Create one, created. Go back to load balancer, provisioning. So let's wait till this thing get completed. So guys, here we can see that our auto load balancer is active and ready to go. So what we will do, we will search for DNS name. See, it's here. Before I used it, these names were used to be at the front side only, but see here, you need to search for DNS name. You have to look around like this, scrolling. Just look around DNS name. Open a new tab, then just paste it. See, so this is an interesting thing now. First, we will go to our instances. Okay, so we will open our one instance. You can look at the ID of private one. It's 61. Okay, so I just need to write it somewhere because there will be many IDs. So one is 61. You can also see another is 39. We are just looking at the last number because I need to show you something. Without these numbers, you will not understand basically. So this is 28. So what are all these three? These are the routing ways. Means these are the routes that we are going to follow or where we are landing through that our auto load balancer. So we came here, see what's the ID. Hello guys, this was our code we have written. Means in advance, oh so sorry, in advance one, advanced detail of EC2 instances. So at 61, now what happened when we will reload it? Just see 28, 39. These all numbers we have written. So you can see that whenever you will click, this thing will be revolving, rotating around this three only. Why? Because we are having three servers only. So our traffic will go either to one, either to two, either to three. We don't have a fourth one. So how it will go on a fourth one? So what happens now? We will go to instances. I will choose this one. Then I will choose instance state. Stop. So just stop it. Reload it. We will wait. See stopping. So this is an example that why I'm showing you this, that why I'm stopping this, because I want to tell you something healthy and unhealthy one. Remember, I used to say a line that this is healthy, we are having this website, so it's on 61 only. You see 69, 39, 69. Sorry. So you can see here that there are only one number 61, 39, 61, 39 only. So what happens with our other one? Because we have created one more. So monitoring. So today I'm creating this video, and maybe after a year, after 2 years, this video will be not same as your AWS is going on. So leave here, just go to instances. See dashboard is here, instances are three. So what it's showing that whenever we will get a unhealthy one, means I'm just going to tell you that one in next class, because in next class we are going to create more things, not this. Means I'm not getting here. Here only it used to show me. Before I used to use the AWS, here it shows that unhealthy one, healthy two, because currently we have closed it now. Okay, so leave it. Maybe next video I will just search, because next video I'm going to create here auto scaling groups. So just wait for next week. Till next week I will create this video, and stay tuned, stay connected with us to learn the basics of cloud computing with AWS. And if you want to create your career in this, then I think that learning basic thing is important. Notes you can get online. You can ask ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini to create a roadmap. But I was facing the problem when I was learning that these videos are not always latest. So I'm creating for this year of 2025, and in August I'm creating. So maybe after a year, interface may change. Some steps come from one place to another. So okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'm leaving now.